This tiny purple berry could be one of the most powerful fruits you're not eating enough of. Blackberries are sweet, juicy, and packed with nutrients your body needs. They're low in calories but loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll break down the real health benefits, nutrition facts, and possible side effects of blackberries. Let's get started. Rich in antioxidants, blackberries are loaded with powerful antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their deep purple-black color. These natural compounds do much more than make the fruit look appealing. They help protect your body's cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. By reducing this damage, antioxidants help lower inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to many long-term health conditions. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like blackberries on a regular basis may reduce your risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, certain types of cancer, and type 2 diabetes. These antioxidants may also support healthy aging by protecting your brain, skin, and other organs from oxidative stress over time, making blackberries one of the healthiest berries you can include in your diet. Boosts immune system. Blackberries are a great source of vitamin C. Just 1 cup can provide a big chunk of your daily needs. Vitamin C helps your body fight off infections, heal wounds faster, and keep your immune system strong, especially during flu season. Supports digestive health. These berries are high in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, prevents constipation, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut can also improve your mood and energy levels. Good for heart health. Blackberries contain potassium and magnesium, both of which support healthy blood pressure. The fiber and antioxidants in blackberries also help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease over time. May improve brain function. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in blackberries may help protect brain cells from damage. This could support memory and slow down age-related mental decline. Adding berries to your diet is an easy way to support long-term brain health. Nutrition facts. A single cup of blackberries has about 62 calories, 7 grams of fiber, and is rich in vitamin C and K. They're naturally low in sugar compared to many other fruits, making them a smart snack choice. Possible side effects. While blackberries are safe for most people, eating too many can cause bloating or stomach discomfort due to their high fiber content. People with certain allergies should also be cautious. As always, moderation is key. That's a wrap on everything you need to know about blackberries. Add them to your smoothies, salads, or eat them fresh for a healthy boost. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves berries. See you in the next video.